your paperwork, then we'll go over any questions you may have before I bring you back to get started. All right, let's head back. We'll get you seated, and then I'll get all of your training materials out so we can start the class. Whether you're looking to kickstart a career in an exciting new industry or you're already a permanent makeup professional, we have the perfect course for you. Our beginner microblading and manual shading course covers all the fundamentals you'll need to know to get you certified. In our advanced course, you'll learn the machine techniques used to create beautiful ombre eyebrows, eyeliner, lip blushing, and more. And you'll get a professional starter kit with enough supplies to cover your first 20 clients. Choose from a 3-day group course with intimate class sizes or a 2-day one-on-one session with flexible date options. Both are extremely focused and hands-on. You'll work on live models under my direct supervision. For artists looking to sharpen their techniques, the refresher course on brow mapping and hair stroke patterns will give you the confidence you need to bridge the gap. Drastically increase your income, become your own boss, and impact lives in a meaningful way through permanent makeup. I look forward to meeting you in our next class.